Hi everyone, this is my friend Kyle. He's about to solve 7 Rubik's Cubes. He gets a minute and 45 seconds of inspection. He's going to start inspecting now. And then he's going to solve all of them and time how long it takes. So he's taking his inspection time right now. That's 15 seconds per cube as per standard regulations. Okay. And Kyle can start the timer and go ahead whenever he's ready. But right now it looks like he's inspecting. So there we go.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, just start the timer and go ahead. There he goes. Alright, good. He's got one done. 6 to go.
A lot of these cubes are really bad, so especially like this one is terrible.
No excuses.
I can't even see the stickers in this one.
That's part of the fun.
Oh god. Wrong color.
Oh, I can hear how bad the mechanisms are on that one. Alright, that was a difficult one he got out of the way there. So that's good. He's just over 2 minutes now. His goal is 7 minutes here, so let's see if he can beat it.
No.
Getting stuck again. It's okay. Still ahead of schedule still. Nice. Great time on that one. Okay, video's still going. I'm going to splice this one together with the other one. We reached the size limit for the first video, whatever that means. I'm pretty sure I took a 30-minute video Mac the other day with this. I don't know what's going on, but whatever. He's still on the same challenge, so... Nice. That was a good speed finish there. Looks like Kyle chose a strategic order. He's leaving his best cube for last. Funny thing is, all of my videos on YouTube are kind of horrible for different reasons, so this one will be another great addition to that, with just it being cut off in the middle, and then just jumping forward in time. Nice, last cube. Hey, stop the timer. Alright, it looks like Kyle just reached the size limit again. I don't know what the deal is. That was definitely less time than the first time. So, 6 minutes, 30 seconds, 0.9. Okay, well.